the principal and all my respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 6 month industrial training on CCTV camera, self introduction, MD Mehboob Reza, CSC final year 6th semester. Enrollment number 00111303 C17, session 2013 to 16. The under of guidance, Sayyid Mujahid Pasha, assistant professor of Manu Polytechnic, Darbhanga. Next slide. CCTV camera presentation company profile. Secure security system leading provider electronic security system whatever your technology needs. The secure security system company will find the most suitable, most cost effective solution and working with a certificated senior level engineer working at industry competitive rates. The secure security system company deliver electronics network product such as CCTV camera, access control system, biometric attendance, money counting machine with a entry level price. Next slide. Secure security system IT partner HID, Spectra, Znet, Gobbler, CB Plus, and Toshiba. Business partner Just Dial, Shopclose.com, QCard, and OLX. Next slide. Content CCTV, HDD, DVR, SMPS. What is CCTV camera? Benefit of CCTV camera. Next slide. CCTV camera and all accessories: DVR, indoor camera, outdoor camera, SMPS, HDD, hard disk drive. Next slide. Indoor camera. The camera unit is mounted inside a transparent dome which can be tinted to observe the camera position. Dome camera come in a wide variety of form. The can be analog for IP, fixed or mobile. PTZ dome camera rotate pen inclined to a focus colors on object of interest zoom. Next slide. Outdoor camera, a type of video camera often used in surveillance system. Named because of its shape and size. Bullet camera are small, 2.5 inch long, are and limited to a fixed focal length lens. Next slide. Hard disk drive HDD, a magnetic disk on which you can store computer data. The term hard is used to distinguish it from a soft or floppy disk. Hard disks hold more data and are faster than floppy disks. Next slide. DVR digital video recorder. A digital video recorder, sometimes referred to by the merchandising terms personal video recorder, is a consumer electronics device or application software that records video in a digital format to a disk drive, USB flash, SD memory card, SDD, or other local or network mass storage device. Next slide. SMPS, switch mode power supply. A switch mode power supply is an electronic circuit that converts power using switching device that are turned on and off at high frequency, and storage components such as inductor or capacitor to supply power when the switching device is in its conduction state. Next slide. What is CCTV camera? CCTV camera, closed circuit television, also known as video surveillance, is the use of video cameras to transmit a signal to a specific place on a limited set of monitor. It differs from broadcast television in that the signal is not openly transmitted, though it might imply point to multi-point or mesh wireless link. Next slide. Benefit of CCTV camera. CCTV is commonly used for a variety of purposes, including next point, maintaining perimeter security medium to high, secure areas and installation. Next point, observing behavior of incarcerated inmates and potentially dangerous patent medical facilities. Next point, traffic monitoring. Next point, building and grand secretary. Next point, overseeing location would be user does to a human. Next slide. Conclusion. To conduce the use of CCTV camera has their benefit. When used in moderation, under the correct guidance, surveillance camera can be invaluable in aiding the police in their investigation. CCTV can also assist as a 24-hour police presence, helping to make the public feel faster. If used excessively, however, the proliferation can lead to an invasion of privacy and a violation of human rights. The cost of camera has also been is an issue that has caused many debates whether has cost in what the result. There needs to be reform into how many the authorities use the existing surveillance camera to enhance their effectiveness to their impact on crime. Next slide. Thanks.